Welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you could easily set up Windows 7 into a USB flash drive. Up Windows 7 in a USB flash drive or an SD card, you will need to have the ISO file of the Windows 7. And you will need also another software called Rufus. So make sure that you have the Windows ISO file. And here I have my Windows 7. It can be any edition, Ultimate, Professional, Home, etc. Just make sure it's an ISO file. As a next step, you want to open in your browser Rufus and hit enter. You'll be redirected here, and here click on Rufus Create Bootable USB Drives the easy way. Scroll down, select the version, the standard one, or click on it, and it should begin the download. Once downloaded, just click on it and it should open. It will take a few seconds to appear in your desktop. At this stage, select the device on which you want to set up the Windows 7, if it's a USB flash drive or an SD card, and click on Select. Locate your Windows 7, double click on it. Leave all these settings by default. So here you have two options. You can select standard Windows installation or Windows to go. So I will leave it standard Windows installation. Partition scheme GPT, UEFI, and we can name it Windows 7. And we will leave all the other settings by default, and we're going to click Start. Please note that any contained files in the USB flash drive or SD card will be erased. So make sure that the device on which you are setting up the Windows is empty and doesn't have any data. I'm going to click OK, and the format will begin. And the operation will take a few seconds, and then the process should be launched. So my device has disappeared, so it will reappear again in few seconds. Here it says deleting partitions, and here it should show you the process or the progress. I will just pause the video here and I will show you once done how it looks like. So once completed, you will see ready. You can click close, click on your storage device or on the device in which you set up Windows 7, and you should be able to see it there, and you should see all the files. So here we have the beautiful icon ready to be used. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.